boys and girls, we are going to get started and we are moving in math and we are going on to subtraction. So I hope you friends are ready. We're going to be practicing subtraction stories. So to get started, I have the big book that I want to share my screen with you and show you. And we're going to talk about this sign, which is called the minus sign. Before we were working on, and now Mrs. Frey does not know where she put it, we were working on the plus sign. So I'm going to show you to remind you. This was the plus sign. Do you remember? We were practicing that. Did you forget something? Okay. This was the plus sign. Then this is the minus sign. So this is what we're going to be working on now, subtraction. We did addition, now we're moving on. This symbol is the subtraction sign. So what that means, boys and girls, is that we are taking away from sets. We're taking them apart. When we do addition, we add it all together. When we do subtraction, we take it away. Okay, so let me share the screen with you. Here we go. And here is our big book. And oh my goodness, look at that girl. It kind of looks like Little Miss Muffet. I see some spiders and then these boys running, okay? So we are gonna take a look at the picture of, here is the girl and here are the boys, okay? So how many children do you see in the picture? Let's see how many children there are. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 children in the picture. And how many children do you see that are running away? And then how many children are left? So let's count all the children together. We have Little Miss Muffet, 1, 2, 3, and then those boys. So Mrs. Frey is going to write the number 3 and then minus, and then I'm going to write, sorry boys and girls, my kids keep running back inside and outside. They're going to the park to eat lunch. Okay, 3 minus, how many boys are running away? 2 equals. So 3 children minus the 2 boys that are running away equals, how many kids are left that are not running away? Just 1, right? Little Miss Muffet's sitting right here. She's the only one left. So say with me this number sentence for this subtraction story. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Say it, friends. 3 minus 2 equals 1. That's awesome. Good job. So I want you to put up something else that I'd like you to do is I want you to put up 5 fingers, or not 5 fingers, I'm sorry, friends, 3 fingers, because the 3 fingers can represent the 3 children. And if Mrs. Frey puts 2 fingers down, because 2 run away, I only have 1. Also, Mrs. Frey can take a tower of 3. 1, 2, 3. And if I take 2 off of that tower, I only have 1 left, okay? So now we're gonna go on to the next part, okay? So we are going to look at, let's look, oops, I have to move this over. We are gonna look at the bananas and that monkey. And oh my, it looks like an apple fell on his head. That's not good. Let's count all the bananas first because we need to know how many there are, all of them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I counted that there are 5. So Mrs. Frey is going to write the number 5. Then I'm going to write the minus sign, 5 minus. And then how many bananas have been eaten? Let's see how many banana peels there are. That means they were already eaten. 1, 2, 3. So then you're going to write minus 3. 5 minus 3 equals, how many are not eaten and still have their peels? 1, 2. So there are 2 left that the monkey didn't eat. So say 5 minus 3 equals 2. And we can show this with our hands. Hold up 5 fingers, put 3 down. How many are left? 1, 2. Or Mrs. Frey can do her tower like this. I have 5. I'm going to remove 1, 2, 3, because those are the bananas that we're eating. And how many bananas are left? Only 1, 2. Good job, boys and girls. Awesome sauce. All right, I'm going to do another one. If you have a whiteboard or a piece of paper and you would like to follow along and write these subtraction sentences with me, go for it. You don't have to, but if you would like to, you can. And remember, this is what a minus sign looks like when we're writing. And this is what the equal sign is, which tells us our answer, okay? So the next thing I want to look at is I want to look at the apples and how many apples there are all together. So let's count. Oops, I want to make sure. Scooch up. There we go. I knew there was another apple. There we go. So let's count all the apples, including the one that fell on Monkey's head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 apples. So what number do I write first, friends? If you said 6, you got it right. So I'm going to write 6. Then I need to draw that straight line across to be my minus sign. And how many apples fell down and hit the monkey on his head? 1. Good job, guys. Then I'm going to do the equal sign. 6 minus 1 equals. So if I have 6 fingers up and I take 1 away, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you said 5, friends, you got it right. Awesome sauce. And where is, oh, here they are. Mrs. Frey can also have a tower of 6. And if I take 1 away, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. You see that? Okay, so 6 minus 1 equals 5. Now the next one I want to look at with you guys, and you may write this down with me or just listen and follow along with Mrs. Frey. I want to check out how many spiders there are that are bugging Miss Muffet. It looks like she's got a bunch of spiders bothering her. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 spiders all together. So what number do I write first, friends? How many spiders are there again? Can you tell Mrs. Frey? If you said 8, you got it. Awesome sauce. 8 minus. It's very important to use the minus sign. How many of those spiders are hanging from the tree? Let's see. How many are hanging from the tree? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we have 8 spiders, but 3 are still hanging out on the tree. So 8 minus 3 equals. So I'm going to get my tower, and I'm going to build 8 on my tower. Here is my tower of 8. Let's see if you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take 3 away. How many are left now? Can you see and count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Can you say that with me? 8 minus 3 equals 5. So if I wanted to put up my fingers, I could hold up 8 fingers and take 3 away, and I have 5. Or I showed you I had a tower of 8. I took 3 away and I had 5. There's one other trick I'm going to show you that you can do, okay? The other thing that you could do is you could draw 8 circles. I have 8 circles, and you could cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. And then the circles that you did not cross out, that's how many are left over. So you could draw 8 circles, cross out 3, and count over the leftover circles. That's another way you could do it, friends. All right, who is ready to check out Miss Muffet's porridge over there that's sitting on that mushroom stool up there? So let's check it out. So there are how many bowls of porridge? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number are we going to write first, friends? I hope you said 4. 4 minus, how many bowls of porridge fell on the ground and spilled everywhere? If you said 2, you're awesome. You got it right, smarty pants. Hold up 4 fingers. Take 2 away. How many are left, friends? If you said 2, that's right. I'm going to show you with my tower. Here's another way. If I have 4 cubes and I take 2 away, I only have 2 left. Or you could draw what? 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. And you could cross out 1, 2. And then how many do you have left? 2. You guys are doing a great job. So what do you think of subtraction so far? Is it feeling okay? It's a little bit different than addition. Okay, so I just wanted to see what you guys were thinking about this. So now we did those. Now Mrs. Frey is just going to give you a few other ones that we're going to practice together before we end our math lesson. So I hope that sounds good to you guys, okay? And remember, what is this sign called again, friends? Do you remember? Say minus, minus. And this is equals, right? So what I would like to do for the next part, friends, is I would like to take a different number. I am going to take this number, the number 6, minus, I want you to do a minus, the number 3 equals. I'm going to give you a minute to see if you can figure that out. You can put up 6 fingers and then put 3 down. You could draw 6 circles and cross out 3. Or if you have any kind of cubes or blocks that you could use, you could count out 6 and then take away 3. So I'm going to give you a minute to do that and see if you friends figure it out. What is 6 minus 3? I'm going to draw circles on mine right now, friends, and then I'll show you. So I drew 6 circles. So how many do I need to cross out? How many are we taking away? We are taking away 3. That's correct, boys and girls. And how many are not crossed off? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Mrs. Frey is also going to hold up 6 fingers, and I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, I want you to try this one and see if you can figure this one out. 7 minus 5 equals. 7 minus 5 equals. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a tower of 7, and I need to take off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left, friends? If you got the answer 2, pat yourself on the back. Great job. Great job. You did it. Also, Mrs. Frey could draw what? 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I could cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 2 left over. Or I could put up 7 fingers, take away 5, and I only have 1, 2 left. Great job. The next one I want you to try, boys and girls, is, ooh, I wrote my 8 really big, is 8 minus 4 equals. 8 minus 4 equals. So how could you solve that one? 8 minus 4, think, think, think. Okay, so If you want to show me how many fingers the answer is, let me see. Oh, I see a lot of friends are showing me this answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check and see if you got it right, friends. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna hold up 8 fingers and I'm gonna take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I think you got it right, but I still wanna check again. So I'm gonna take my tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mrs. Frey has 8. And how many am I going to take away? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Or you could have draw 4 circles. You can draw 4 circles, or not 4 circles, friends. I'm sorry, 8 circles. And you could cross out 4 to get the answer 4. And now I want you to try 9. This is minus 0 equals. So if Mrs. Frey holds up 9 fingers and I don't take any away, because remember, friends, 0 means nothing. I don't take any away. How many do I still have? And I'm going to build a tower of 9. Here is my tower of 9. Like this. And I'm not going to take any away because it says minus 0, which means we're not taking any away. So what's the answer to that one? 9 minus 0 equals, I hope you friends said 9, right? Because if you have 9, let's pretend you had 9 cupcakes and you didn't eat any of those cupcakes because you were saving them for later. You still have 9 cupcakes because none of them have been eaten, okay? This is going to be the last one we're going to do, and this is going to be a subtraction problem and using the number 10. So everybody write 10 minus, and then what I would like for you to do is write the number 5. 10 minus 5 equals, I think I'm going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mrs. Frey did 10. Let's cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Friends, how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, if I want to use my fingers, I can hold up 10 fingers. Take away 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you said 5, you're super awesome and you got it right. And then if I have my tower of 10 and I take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, I have 5 left. Awesome sauce. What I would like you to do is I'm going to write down 3 practice problems that you can do right now. I am going to write 5 minus 4 equals, and you can write that down. And I'm going to write 4 minus 1 equals. And the last one, and you're going to practice these, is I'm going to write 6 minus 2 equals. So I'm going to hold this up for you, and then I want to get the workbook page that you're going to work on. So if you just want to practice these with someone at home, you can write down 5 minus 4 equals, 4 minus 1 equals, 6 minus 2 equals, and use one of those ways to solve it. You could use your hands, like you could hold up 5 hands, put 4 down, how many are left? Or you could draw 5 circles. Do you remember the circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you could cross out 4. How many are left? Or if you have cubes or blocks or something you could use, you could do that and take away 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many are left? So I want you to try to write these down and solve these subtraction sentences. 5 minus 4 equals, 4 minus 1 equals, and the last one is 6 minus 2 equals. The next thing I'm gonna do, friends, I have to get it. I put it on this part of my table, so I have to pick it up. It is the page that you're going to work on for the subtraction story. So yesterday, you friends worked on this, and today, I would like you boys and girls to do this page. So it says there are 6 balloons, so you need to write the number 6 in here. Minus 3 balloons burst, so you need to write 3. Equals, and how many are left? You just need to fill in the numbers for the number sentence, okay? So keep up the good work. I'm really proud of you. Today was our first day of subtraction, and you guys did fabulous. So keep up the good work, and I will be back again tomorrow, and we will do our next lesson for subtraction. Have a great day, friends. Bye.